Good afternoon and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I'd like to talk about my top 3 healthcare stocks. I have a watch list of over 150 stocks. These stocks I'm interested in for one reason or another, or it's been recommended, and I know a little bit about each of the stocks. I have also categorized them into different categories like China stocks, technical stocks, and healthcare. From that list, I have about 20 healthcare stocks. Anthem, which are healthcare plans. CVS, everybody's heard of those. Herbalife had some bad rap a couple years ago. Johnson & Johnson, Merck, and others. And then I did a back test using the RSI indicator and determined how many winners I would get over the last year for each of those stocks. For example, ABBV had 6 trades, holding each trade for an average of around 3 or 4 bars or days. And of those 6, they had 6 winners, 100%, using the RSI indicator. So from this list, I picked stocks that were doing greater than 75% and did some further analysis to see if they were one of my favorite stocks. ABBV got 100%, Gillette, HRC Holdings, IDXX, and you can see that they had 4 trades and 4 winners. So for this presentation, I've chosen Merck, Johnson & Johnson, and ABBV as my 3 favorite. And now I'd like to tell you why and support that. Here's your healthcare, Johnson & Johnson, Merck. These are all the big players. And let's switch this to a 1-week performance. Lots of green, a couple of red. Visor. Diving a little further, you can see that Merck has an uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. They're very smooth. And then each trend and trend reversal takes a couple months. You can do something with that. The analysts have rated Merck as an outperform. It is optional, shortable, and the recommendation is less than 2 or 2.5, so that's a buy. The forward PE is positive, and the PE is positive. That means it's a profitable company. Let's see what the target range is. The target price is 96, way up here, and it's currently trading at 75. So there's a lot of room for growth. And it looks like it's at or about its support line. That's good. So you'll be looking to make a buy somewhere in here as soon as you get a single. This is my zigzag indicator, and it's showing, the zigzag showing an upward trend, a downward trend, upward trend, downward trend. This looks like the support or near support, and as soon as we get an RSI and a trend reversal here, we are going to go long. This would be a big winner if you started here, and here was your RSI. Here's your RSI. Here's your RSI. You wouldn't take these because this is down. You would take this because it's up. Likewise, RSI, down. So waiting for an RSI here and a green here. So on the 13th, I opened a RSI a short on Merck. And that short is still open, as you can see there. And this is an action, and it's based on the zigzag. Let me show you here. As long as this goes down and I'm in a short, I will continue studying that trade. This win is if I chose to take it at 3%, a 3% move. And so if I had taken the profit, I would have done it right here. But instead, I'm keeping this trade open. The next one is Johnson & Johnson. I have an open trade in that, and it began on the 11th of November, the 3rd of November. Began on the 3rd of November. This is a chart, a FinViz chart of Johnson & Johnson. You see, you have an upward trend, downward trend, and a long upward trend. Nice smooth transitions here between the trend reversals. And this is another one I like, where the RSI indicator performs quite well. Johnson & Johnson also has a recommendation, analyst recommendation of 1.9, which is a buy. optional shortable PE and the forward PE are positive. That means it's a positive company. The book value, that means it has assets. It can be liquidated and pay their bills, enough left over to pay the bills. The target range is 185. It's currently trading at 96. Excuse me, 164. Lots of room here for. Again, you can see nice long transitions. Here was the November buy. It's a big winner. The last couple of days it's been going down, but my zigzag hasn't changed, and so I'm still in the trade. So we're still in the trade here, and the signal is good. And the last one I want to talk about is ABBV. ABBV is another drug manufacturer, and you can see these long transitions, which RSI is very good at. It has a forward PE of and a PE that are positive, so that means it's a profitable company. The analyst recommendation is a 2. That's a buy. Target price is 120. It's currently trading at 108. Plenty of room. So you see, we have a long uptrend, long downtrend, long uptrend, and long trend. And I'm currently in a short at the moment. Even though the last couple of days it's been going up, I'm still in this short. And that's because I'm using that as a indicator of when to get out. Big win here, and a big win here. So in conclusion, my 3 healthcare stocks are Merck, Johnson & Johnson, and ABBV. I have open trades in all 3, and we're showing a profit. My exit indicator, which is a zigzag, is showing that I'm in the right direction and I should stay in the trade. What are your 3 favorite healthcare stocks? I'd like to know. Also, I'd like you to subscribe and like the video, as these videos will get more frequent and get better. Thanks for watching.